Hey you guys, how y'all doing? I came in for a quick um tutorial that I discovered on TikTok. So I'm using some canvases. I got one of them from the Dollar Tree, a smaller one. This smaller one that I'm using right now. No, this is the bigger one I'm using. But I did a big one and a small one. But this is how I go. You get your Mod Podge and you get the sponge brush and you put Mod Podge all over the canvas generously. And then you start sticking your photos that you had printed at Walgreens, Walmart, wherever you print your photos at. And or you can print them from your printer. And then you stick them how you want on the canvas. And y'all, this is a good way to not have to use no actual frame. But this is a cute idea that I seen off of TikTok, and I said I wanted to come in and show you guys how I did mine, because I had a lot of extra pictures from my daughter's graduation, and I wanted to get some do a project with them. And I think this project is really great for those who are on a budget, something that you want something different, you know, hanging on your walls or something like that, or maybe for your senior or whoever to go off to college or whatever. It's a nice present. You can make a nice gift. It'll make a nice gift. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And I put that Mod Podge all over the picture and just start putting it everywhere. I would go in like in one direction, but some people do, you know, different directions, whatever direction you want your project to go in. Okay, and so that's what I did. And you just let it dry, and this is how it looks when it dries. Look how cute and pretty. And you got your whole collage. That's what I made her, a collage to go on my wall. And I let her take one to put on her wall. Very cheap and affordable.